Hey guys, this is Himanshu and in this video I am going to talk about a field that interests many of you. So are you an aspiring machine learning engineer who wants to build stuff and change the world? HackAcademy is a startup which was built with an aim to help people in getting jobs and the pay they deserve. They are providing a limited guided 8-month machine learning course to just 20 students in which they have collaborated with various brands and industry leaders to actually see that what they basically look while hiring a person, and they have adjusted their programs according to those factors only. So the course is divided in various sections according to weeks, where you will start with learning one of the most advanced and most widely used programming language, Python, and then comes the 3 pillars which will give you the required data science knowledge. Then comes the data preparation, which involves getting and manipulating data for machine learning algorithms. And then comes the main part of the course, which is machine learning concepts. So most of the machine learning courses just exclude these topics which are very important, so you can just clear the interview by doing these things only. That's why 5 weeks are dedicated to concepts only in this course. These algorithms will help you in solving more than 95 problems in engineering, and it's more than enough for jobs. Now comes another very important topic, which is deep learning and ML ops. And many interviewers say that most of the people don't actually know about these things, and the reality is that these things are one of the most in-demand skills these days. You will also get mentorship from experts working in different tech companies and startups, and you will also make one guided project with them in a group of 3, one of which will be a mentor. You will also get placement support from them, where they will help you with your resume, your interview preparation for a complete job readiness. Still not sure? As a viewer of this channel, you can get a straight 25% discount using this code MEL25, and you can just grab this amazing opportunity in order to enhance your career in machine learning. So what are you waiting for? Just click on the link in the description below, go to the site and register today and start your journey today itself.